The basics of sock knitting machines. Okay, let's start with the basics. Did you know there are two main types of sock knitting machines? Yeah, two, circular and flatbed. And trust me, the difference really matters. Circular machines, these are the rock stars of the sock world. Why? Because they've got cylindrical needle beds that make seamless tubular socks. No seams, no hassles. These guys can produce, get this, up to 450 pairs of socks a day. It's insane. They're perfect for industrial scale operations. Think sports socks, everyday wear. Plus, they automate ribbing and heel shaping, which is just a total game changer. But flatbed machines, oh, they're all about the details. With their horizontal needle arrangement, they're incredible for patterns. We're talking jacquard, cable knits, you name it. Brands like Shima Seiki, they've mastered this. Sure, they're slower, but when you need precision, they're unbeatable. High fashion markets love these machines for their meticulous designs. So whether it's lightning-fast circular models or detail-oriented flatbeds, both have their place in sock manufacturing. Each brings something unique to the table. 2. Advanced types of sock knitting machines. Let's level up. Advanced machines. Computerized sock knitting machines? They are a whole other league. These things are like precision powerhouses. Here's the scoop. They've got programmable logic controllers, PLCs for short. This means they can make intricate designs, adjust stitch density mid-production, and just keep things seamless. Brands like Lonati and Metec, oh yeah, they dominate the market with these bad boys. And the tech? It's mind-blowing. Built-in yarn tension systems, automatic defect detection. It's like having a 24/7 quality control team inside the machine. Imagine sensors spotting loose stitches or broken threads instantly. No wasted yarn, no downtime. And versatility? Let's just say these machines can switch between sports socks, casual wear, and even medical designs like it's nothing. It's no surprise the adoption rate for these machines skyrocketed in 2023. Seriously, they're the backbone of modern sock production. Specialized sock knitting machines. Finally, let's talk specialized machines. These are the unsung heroes of niche sock production. Medical sock machines, they're amazing. They create compression socks for circulation and diabetic-friendly socks with gradual tension control. No discomfort, just functionality. And they nail that seamless finish every single time. Then there are toe closing machines, you know? Creating smooth toe sections used to be the worst manual job. Well, not anymore. These machines make it so smooth, it's almost luxurious, perfect for high-end and sports socks. And specialty yarn machines, they're pushing boundaries, working with delicate fibers like merino wool or even eco-friendly bamboo. They let brands go sustainable without compromising quality. It's sustainability with style. Bottom line, these machines are revolutionizing the industry, one precise stitch at a time.